Good morning, students. This is exercise 2.4 question 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. That means you have been asked about the total number of deer. How many deer were there? So the question says that half of a herd of deer was on the field grazing. Okay, so let us see how to solve this. First, say we'll take field, and here half of the herd was grazing. Remaining 3/4 of the remaining were playing nearby. So playing deer were 3/4 of means multiply of remaining deer, right? So the rest 9 are drinking water in the pond. Near the pond 9 deer are drinking water. Now what is the total number of deer? First of all, you will see here that in the playing section 3/4 of the remaining deer. Now what is the remaining deer? First of all, we'll see for the field half of the herd, and we have been asked about the total number of deer in the herd. That means I can take the total number of deer as x, so this will become half of x. Then playing is 3/4 of remaining. Now if half x is in the field, so what is the remaining number now? Total was x and half is in the field, so remaining is half. That means 3/4 of x by 2 is in nearby playing with deers. Okay, and number of deer near the pond is simply given 9. Now you can add these and these deers to find the total number, that is we have taken x. To understand this more clearly, here you can see the picture of deer. Let us say total number of deer were 4. Okay, I have pasted 4 pictures here, but say you don't know that what is the number of deer. If I go according to this question, then half of the deer, then 4 ka half is 2. So these are in field grazing, say. Okay. Now what is the remaining? When from total you are subtracting half, that is 2, so 2 are remaining. That is what we did for x by 2 in the field. The rest 9 are drinking. Okay, so from here 3/4 is gone. Let us say this is gone for playing. So this is the remaining deer in the water near pond. So if you want to know about the total number of deer here in this example, what you will do? You will add this, you will add this, you will add this. So when you will add this, you again half will come here, 3/4 will come here, and the water wala deer will also come here. So after addition, you can see again they are united, they are 4. So this technique we are using here. Here too we were knowing that there are 4 number of deers, but since in the question we are not knowing, we have been asked about the total number of deers, we cannot assume a number, but yes, we can assume a variable, that is x, but the technique used will be same, that is addition of जहाँ पे भी वो हैं will add them so that we get the total number of deer. So here now the sentence framing is there and solution for it simply. So let us say the total number of deer was x, so out of it half was in the field. Okay, x by 2 is in the field, that means now playing 3/4 of the remaining, and now we know that from total we subtract this half, so I'll get this half, and 3/4 of this half will become 3x by 8 in the and these number of deers are in the playing, are nearby playing, and the number of deer near the pond is 9 deer. Okay, now we'll add this according to the what we understood right now. We'll add all this one is from the field, this one is from playing, this one is from water pond, so that will be equal to total, that is x. Now you know how to solve it. You'll take LCM. Here you can do like this also, that 3x by 8, and transposing x from here to the left hand side is equals to transposing this to the right hand side will become minus 9. You can directly take the LCM of these three and solve it. For you, I have done one by one here, like I have taken for these two first. Okay, I have solved it. I have got this answer here. Then I have transposed this and this in the next step. Now transposing this positive will become negative and this positive will also become negative. Now see, again you'll take the LCM here and you'll get the result minus. See students, remember about the minus always. It is no, it comes in very silly mistake. You may forget to mention negative sign wherever required. So minus x by 8 is equals to minus 9 we are left with. Now we'll cross multiply, transpose 8 to the right hand side. So this will become division come multiplication, minus 9 into 8. So minus x is equals to minus 72. But the number of deer is not a negative. So to make it positive, here minus will become plus. So this is x equals to plus of 72, or simply say 72. So total number of deer is 72.